Place is supposed to be a place where spirits have been said to be drifting through the woodland around Moira Furnace and in the buildings themselves. Let me just show you how dark it actually is. That's how dark it is. I cannot see nothing. Yo, what is good, YouTube? We're back alone for a nighttime visit. So yeah, this is just over the road. There's a little clock on the black wall. I'm guessing it's a memorial or something. So we can have a quick look while we're here. I have my light so we can see. Pause that if you need to see it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to head across to Moira Furnace. Right outside, so let's go for a wander up, see what this bad boy is here. Some sort of wheel. Investigation at night time. This time we're alone, so we can see what is going on. Oh, and we can actually get through this way. There we go. This place is supposed to be a place where spirits have been said to be drifting through the woodland around Moira Furnace and in the buildings themselves. Well, obviously we are on the outskirts of the buildings, and we're just going to walk around and see what we can find. Now, you know yourself, I'm not a big believer in ghosts, ghouls or spirits or anything like that, but it'd be interesting to see what is actually around here. Probably nothing really, but you never know. So we're going up to the woodland areas, and we'll see if we can see anything. My batteries are like running low as well. Not my camera batteries this time though, so that's a good thing. My light. It's gone a bit misty down this end. See if I can just adjust this light. There we go. Maybe I should have changed my batteries before I even come onto the park. But, you know, it'll be alright. So far so good. We haven't seen anything as of yet. Nice little wide area though. Football ground we're coming up to. I honestly haven't got a clue where I'm going, because I've never actually been here before. Well, most of these places I've never been before. as I say, it's pitch black. Well, it's not pitch black, I can still see where I'm going even without the light. But I think if I film without the light you won't see anything. Okay, so we'll head into the woodland areas. Now this will be bad if my light actually decided to turn itself off now, because I haven't got a clue where I am or where I'm going. We've come across some sign. It's like, I'm guessing it tells you where to go. This is the kind of place where there's a museum that way. The kind of place where you like get killed or something. Let me just show you how dark it actually is. That's how dark it is. I cannot see nothing. So I think it's safe to say that I actually better put the light on. Come across some steps. Don't know where these going to take me. Let's have a run up them. Okay, so we're up the steps. Oh, we're at the top. Wow. That's a nice little place. Still don't know where I am. What's down there? Well, that says public footpath down there as well. We're coming across the woodland areas there. I mean, this place looks quite big, so possibly this place is like, if it's that big, we could probably come back and do more here. So like I said, I don't really know the area, so I'm just guessing where to go. So yeah, we'll head back down the stairs, because I haven't actually got a clue where I'm going that way. What did we set up here? We have a spring cottage. The Misham is that way. Don't know if you can quite see that. There we go. So we could head to the cottage. Probably best if we go back down this way, then head back around to the other way. Try not to fall down the stairs. So if we head back, because that leads you to a road. Don't want to be getting stuck on a road while going on the road. there's not really much point because the road is like where we just come down. So we may as well just head back this way and then go have a look at the actual museum, which I didn't think it was a museum, which is a good thing, because obviously museums, we could see a lot more stuff in there, which would be interesting. These are the woodland areas on the outskirts. Some nice areas though. We can come back to this. Definitely come back to this. We'll definitely come back and we'll film a lot more. We'll go into the woods, like deep into the woods. Because these videos for starters are just like little testers. So we can see what's about, see what's where, and then come back to it. Very interesting. An interesting place. I keep hearing footsteps around me, but I'm playing down to my mind playing tricks on me. There's the signs. There's a lot of things you can do here. It'd be interesting to come in day, this would be. Plantation. It would be. So, we are currently here in the woodland area, just taking a break. I've seen nothing as of yet, so just gonna have some water, chill out for a little bit, then go for a wander again. So I'll keep you posted. Nothing as of yet. It's a woodland area that's supposed to be haunted. I keep hearing voices though, but I know some people have walked past me. So I'm pointing it down to that. That these people who walk past me are the people that I'm hearing the voices from. It's quite an interesting little hideout. Very interesting. Middle of trees. Either way, nothing as of yet. But we keep searching. How was that? Something's been dragged through. I doubt it's a body. Very interesting. So in the heart of the woodland area, where these spirits are supposed to be, I don't see nothing. But we'll keep going, we'll keep walking, we'll keep investigating, and we'll keep exploring new places. I don't know, let's go this way, see what's down here. So it'll be an interesting little place. The chained oak tree at night time. That'd be interesting. Wave in the sky. They didn't quite see it. Let's turn it off. Well, we're now back to the beginning where we started. I think for now, that'll be enough. I think we should do a part 2, you know, because it is a big area. I know I pretty much say this on everything that I've been on. We should do a part 2, but you know, it's something I want to do. I want to just keep doing loads of videos for you guys so you can just watch and see what you think. But as always, you know what to do. You like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, and you also hit that bell notification. Keep updated with all my new videos, because there's going to be a lot more places. I've got a full list of places I need to go to, and I want to share it all with you guys. So, stay fresh, stay safe, stay real, and stay true to yourself. And I'll see you in the near future, guys. Peace!